This is a little bit more technical, but I found this kind of fun. This is the difference between regular Python and using regular expressions with Python. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to look at a DNA sequence. We're going to pull out the codons in regard to, and also to how many times a certain sequence of letters appear. All right, let's begin. Just to start, let's pull up the file. I believe that's a DNA sequence of a house mouse. All right, using standard Python. All right, just for fun, let's pull up GTT, see how many times it appears. All right, it appears 18 times, and the sequence, or should I say the codon, is G, and that is a match. Now, using regular expressions, which I kind of find fun. All right, pull it up, DNA sequence, GTT, for fun, and not as pretty, but 18 and G, so we have a codon exact match. Kind of fun, at least to me. Catch you guys in a bit. Bye.